Imagine yourself in this Nissan 2012 Altima 2.5S. If you are looking for an automobile with great features, look no further. This vehicle comes with a reliable 4-cylinder engine, paired with a sporty manual transmission. Enjoy these notable features: B10, splash guards, Super Black, M92, trunk subfloor organizer with first aid emergency kit, frost velour seat trim, L92, 5-piece carpeted floor mat trunk mat set, M10, aluminum kick plates, keyless start, front-wheel drive and power steering. If you are looking for a solid pre-owned car, this might be the one. A test drive is waiting for you. Call now to schedule an appointment to our dealership.